Today, welcome to another Erica and Marty video adventure in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. You might know Marty from such hits as Swabbing the Decks with Mr. Fantastic, or more recent fan favorites, Marty versus Sergeant Victim, Boy, were those some amazing times. Today, we explore what happens when your phone gets water damage at the beach. What would be your first move? Who do you call? Where do you go? Let's walk this journey together, shall we? So we can find the much-needed answers you seek. This is Marty's butler, Grant Wellington, the third, bidding you a good day and enjoy the video.
Marty McFly, King of Receipts.
Okay, once again, it's Erica and Marty giving you a nice little adventure story. It's story time for today. Sunday that just passed, we were on the beach.
Like always.
Like always, you know how it is.
Normal chill day.
Normal chill day, nothing different, right? So, the tide was high, and so everybody was pretty much on the sidewalk. There was no beach at all. So, we're thinking we're smart. We make our seats and blanket like really far away from the water. So, she got a coconut, I got a caipirinha, and I put my phone, when I got my corn, I put my phone between my legs, you know, because I took a picture. I figured I'd let the phone rest for a second, and then boom, I'll just pick it up and put it in my bag. Little did I know, right away, a tidal wave came, swept her clothes away, swept her, oh, it's right over here. Swept her clothes away, coconut, her corn, her books, makeup, and a little bit got on my phone. Not a lot, just a little bit. Well, guess what happened when you get salt water into a phone? Everything starts to shut down one by one. And then my phone was stuck in a constant.
It was not just a little bit, I think it was quick. But like, even the phone, like when you look at the camera, like was very dirty from water. Like, it was weird, but it was quick.
Yeah, it was quick. It wasn't like submerged for 20 minutes. It was like literally 4 seconds max, if that. So basically, long story short, my phone was in a never-ending boot loop. And then we went home, she washed out with fresh water, put it in some rice. We left it for 2 days, it's still not working. Now, luckily, that ties into this video. What do you do if you have an emergency with your phone? How do you handle that? Where do you go? What you do? Now, thankfully, your boy Marty's actually pretty smart. So, everything that I have is insured to the max. Right, I have a couple of different policies. This one in particular is up to $10,000 in terms of like personal electronics. I have another one for like $50,000 with all my other stuff. So no matter what happens, I'm covered. So I'm not really stressing about it. So we're going to the Blonde Mall right now to see if it can be repaired. Whether or not it gets repaired or not, I think it's time to get an iPhone 15 Max. Now, I have Apple everything except for iPhone. I don't know why. I've always had Android. Oh, yeah, across the street. So, I've always had Android, never had a problem with Android, even though my workflow is totally Mac and Apple. So, crossing the street, trying not to get killed. So, regardless of what the outcome is, whether they can repair it or not, I think we're gonna go ahead full steam into Apple. So, join us on a journey. We're going to the Samsung store, try their customer service, and we're about to see how this works out for us, right? We'll see you in a second. All right, we have now entered the Blonde Mall. It's really no different from any American mall for the most part. It's actually, in my opinion, a little bit cleaner in certain areas. You know, maybe we can ask like a security guard where the Samsung, instead of us walking around aimlessly, you know, even though I like to get my steps in. Yeah. By the way, I love this camera, by the way. Loving it. Silky smooth. So, you know, and then if we see some, who knows, I might see something I like in this mall. But Erica says she doesn't like this mall. She says they don't have like nice stuff. So that's Erica's opinion. I've only been here like once, so we'll see. All right, so we have finally located the Samsung store. As you can see, it actually looks pretty cool. You know, it's like nice, fresh. So we're gonna walk in. I'm gonna give my sad story as far as, you know, because I was really upset and sad, was I not?
He was, for sure he was.
The whole time.
We're gonna fix this.
Yeah,
Everything have a solution.
Don't worry, we're gonna have a happy ending to this by the end of the day. Trust me. So let's go in, let's see what these guys are talking about, all right? You know, as you can see, it's got some nice stuff. All right, we are in the store. We're still trying to figure this out. As you can see, somebody took a seat.
I need to rest my beauty.
Rest your beauty. Wow, that's interesting. I've never heard that before.
Yeah.
Wow, it's starting a new movement, beauty rest movement. Okay, that's fine. So, like I said, we're waiting for, I guess, one of the technicians to come out. We're waiting for one of the technicians?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, for example, they don't do manutention here. Like, he's gonna check what's the problem, but they don't fix it here.
Right.
Okay, we went to the store, but like that's the first difference. If you go to Apple store, they have manutention there. Like, they have people that can diagnostic your phone and do everything. But supposedly Samsung didn't, not, at least not here.
Right.
So the guy said to us that we need to, that we need to go to the specialist store that can fix it.
Right.
And yeah, and he gave us the address.
Okay.
And we're gonna check. So let's see. He tried to turn on the phone. He used the cable and the cable and the how is the name? The induction.
The wireless charger.
Yeah, but it didn't work either. So yeah, let's see now in Baja, this new address.
All right. So basically, we are headed to Barra, and we're going to get to the bottom of this phone. It's going to be our little phone adventure. So stay tuned. We're probably going to be in the Uber when we pick this back up. We'll see you soon. All right, so we're giving like a little bit of an update. We came to the Samsung store. Now, being as though I have an international phone, they're not able to look at it, but they gave us a protocol paper.
Yes. Yeah, they just gave the protocol because because it's international phone, they can't fix here, so don't need to be that close. Like, just underneath the camera.
All right, so, okay,
now we are going for an not official place to see if they can give us like a price of the manutention or everything.
Or fix it.
Or fix it, yeah, for sure.
So, we tried, we failed, and we're going to try again. This is going to be solved today. I guarantee you.
It's frustrating.
Yes. Marty abroad. Erica. All right, so we'll see you in a little bit. All right, here's the update. We are...
Walk, did a lot of things, went to the mall, come back, so many things.
Yeah, we went to the wrong place somehow because the Uber had the wrong address. So...
Somebody put the wrong address.
Yeah, somebody, we don't know. Yeah. But we're not gonna talk about that. So, we went to the mall, to the Americanas. Come to find out, when you return something, you have to spend the money the same day or you lose.
It was also frustrating because it's not simple.
Right. So, once we said, okay, but we do have 30 days to return, so whatever. So then we arrived at iGringo, as you can see. Now, why is this important? Samsung wouldn't even touch our phone because it was an international phone. So if you didn't buy your phone in Brazil, they're not going to touch it. As far as Samsung, iPhone is different.
I think so, yeah, because I think iPhone have like a Patreon for stuff. So every place that you go is the same pieces and everywhere. So they have people that knows how to do it. But looks like Samsung is not like that, so I don't know.
Which brings us to where we are right now. So they're going to clean out the phone, the oxidation, And that should fix it. They're gonna clean cameras and all that, everything.
I think so, yeah, because
Right.
they're gonna open the whole phone.
Right.
And can be good, but cannot be good either. So we don't have, it's not like exact science.
Right. Now, question: whether or not it works or not, will they still give us a diagnostic?
Yeah, they're still gonna, they're gonna give you, for sure.
Okay. So, if the phone costs more to fix, they'll let us know.
Yeah, they do. Like, for example, if they clean up everything, they clean that oxidation and whatever, and they realize, okay, now we need to change this piece and this piece, they're gonna say everything.
Okay. Now, if you have insurance, this is good because now everything is covered.
Yeah, it's nice also, like, sometimes for Samsung or for Apple with the warranty, if your phone is in the 1-year warranty, is still good, so you can take for a night place, for example. I don't know about Samsung, like, it's confused.
Yeah, I'm kind of on the fence with Samsung customer service right now, but I might have the iPhone by the end of the night, depends on how I feel and the price the guy gives me. So we'll give you an update, but I think we might get something to eat in the meantime. What do you think? Because I'm hungry. And when I'm hungry, I get agitated. And I'm sure she gets agitated too, yeah? All right, so we're gonna figure it out. Once we get to the place, we're gonna eat something, we're gonna update you again. What, you don't like when I zoom in like that?
No, don't. You do that with no,
look,
you don't.
my face is beautiful.
No, every time that he record him, he do like this, like everybody. If you are talking like selfie, you do like this. You don't need chill. Like it's not nice. No. It's good.
All right, we'll update you soon.